Today I would like to tell you about our course on Diploma in Financial Accounting. This professional course is essential nowadays if you are looking for a career in the field of accounts, finance or tax. I request you to subscribe to our channel if you have not already done it. Do like our video if you find it helpful. Financial accounting covers all aspects of recording the various transactions of a business. This is very crucial for all types of businesses. Such statements and records tell us about the overall performance of our business, the return on investment we are receiving, the expenses involved, how to further budget, and so on. All these statements are required to be prepared and maintained legally. Every financial year, the records have to be audited and tax filed. Also, these documents need to be shared with the investors and bankers for clarity. Easycourses offers you a complete diploma course on financial accounting. All aspects like manual accounting, computerized accounting, income tax is covered thoroughly. For computerized accounting, we teach you the most popular tally software. GST is a crucial tax to be computed and filed. You will learn all the concepts related to GST in this course. This course qualifies you for multiple job roles like accountant, consultant, HR, tax consultant, admin roles, and more. Our courses stand out unique in many ways. We offer you 70% practical training for a complete understanding. Courses offered at Easycourses are short-term and comprehensive. Our trainers are subject experts who are passionate in teaching. The details of our course are as follows. We offer you STET certification, which is a government authorized body. Our course will provide you the required skill set to have a good start in your career. Do contact us today to register in our upcoming batch. All links and details are in the description box below. Thank you for watching.